Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute to introduce myself quickly. My name is Rita and my channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee. I have a really quick DIY for you tonight. It's fast, simple, and you can embellish this more than I did tonight. It's late, I need to get up and go to work tomorrow, so just wanted to put something out here real quick. And I also wanted to let you know that I will be uploading 3 videos a week. I'm thinking Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will let you know for sure. I'm still working on setting up my channel, so bear with me. And let's get right to the DIY. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Rita. I have a very quick, simple DIY for you tonight. And you can mix this up, use whatever type of paper and flowers you want to. I have a sheet of stock paper that I believe I got at JoAnns, and I'm just going to roll it into a cone shape and tape it down with some double-sided tape. And here's what it should look like. And now I'll just take these flowers that I bought at Dollar Tree and I'm going to cut those off the stem and place them inside the cone. And this is what you should have. I'm going to take a piece of jute twine, and this I've got at Walmart. If you use a lot, I would recommend you going to Walmart and getting the big roll. I'll just hot glue that to the back. And here it is, guys. You can do more embellishing on this if you'd like. And if you like the DIY tonight, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and remember to hit that notification bell for upcoming DIYs. Thank you and have a good night.